So now, I will introduce you for the background and history for Zurich Insurance Group. Zurich Insurance Group is a leading global insurance company that founded in 1872. The company was originally established to provide a fire and marine insurance protection. Zurich expanded its service to meet their needs of individual and business. Growth was driven, especially in the industrial development. Over the time, Zurich evolved into a strong and trusted global insurer. Next, move to leadership. Mario Greso is the Chief Executive Officer, the CEO of the Zurich Insurance Group. Strong leadership plays a key role in guiding the company. Zurich leadership helps to manage economic change. Leader drive technology advancement and adapts to changing customer expectation. Next, move to global presence. Zurich has grown from the regional insurer into a multinational company. It operates across Europe, North America, Asia Pacific, and other global markets. Zurich present in around 200 countries and territories, adapting global expertise to local needs. For the product and service, Zurich provide for life insurance, general insurance, risk management solution, and the service provide to individuals, small business, and large corporation. And the last one is institution.
Today, I will present about Zurich Insurance Group and the POLC management framework. Zurich Insurance Group is a global industry company that operates in a highly regulated and high-risk financial industry. To ensure that the company operate efficiently and sustain, Zurich apply the POLC management framework, which is consists of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. This framework help management manage the organization in a structured and a systematic way. Then the importance of POLC in Zurich Insurance Group is that it provide clear organization direction and support long-term for the business sustain. It also help build company trust and confidence, especially since insurance company handle customer money and protection needs. In addition, POLC support effective decision making and allow Zurich to remain competitive despite rapid change in a business environment. Then for the next slide, I will elaborate more in detail and how each element of POLC framework is applied within a Zurich organization structure. So in this slide, I will explain the planning function at Zurich Group. Planning plays an important role in helping Zurich achieve its organization goal. It's led by top management such as board of director and executive committee, who are responsible for setting both short-term and long-term objectives of the company, which is Zurich. In terms of planning focus, Zurich Group does not only aim the profit. The company also emphasize risk management, regulator, and Sharia compliant, as well as customer protection and certification. This is very important because the industry insurance involve high financial risk and strict regulation. Some of the key planning element at Zurich include defining the company vision, mission, and objective. Planning strategy of business growth and product development, identify and reduce potential risks, and ensure full compliance with insurance and Sharia regulations. Overall, effective planning provide clear organization direction, help maintain business stability, and support Zurich long-term competitive in insurance and takaful market. I will go to the next slide. This slide will explain the organizing function at Zurich Group. Organizing function focus on the implementing plan effective by using a clear and systematic organization structure. This ensure that work is carried out efficiency from the HQ headquarters to the branch office. In terms of organizing structure, tasks, responsibilities, and authority are clear, divided across department and business unit. This will allow Zurich to make better use of its human resources, financial resources, and technology. Okay, some of the key organizing practice at Zurich include the division of work by department such as marketing, finance, claim, underwriting, IT, human resources, and the support team. In addition, Zurich managed its operations based on a different region and the business segment to improve overall efficiency. Okay, overall, effective organizing ensure clear authority to each management level using standard operating procedure (SOP) for consistent instruction and help Zurich achieve its organization goal in a efficient and structured manner.
I will explain more a little bit about the Zurich. Zurich Insurance Group is a global insurance company that operates in dynamic and highly regulated environment. And the second one is to achieve long-term success. Zurich combines the human-centered leadership with strong control system. There are two management functions help that companies stay competitive, ethical, and sustainable. At Zurich, leadership is not about managing tasks; it's about a culture shaped through empathy and empowerment. The first is people sustainability. We believe that business success is only sustainable if our people are thriving. That means our managers are not just a boss, they are mentor and coach. Their job is enable people to perform at their best and focus on long-term development rather than the short-term output. Next, we focus on employee ownership. We don't want people just following order. We want them to charge of their own personal growth. We encourage everyone to contribute the innovative idea and solve the problem perfectly. That creates a culture where everyone feels a personal stake in company success. The result this is approach is organizational agility. Because we prioritize the empathy and empowerment, our team are more motivated and resilient. They allows us to adapt much faster to market change. When employees feel trusted, innovation becomes a natural part of their daily work rather than a forced effort. Finally, as a global company, inclusivity is a key. Our leadership focuses on clear, inspiring communication that reach across the teams. By leading with empathy and a shared purpose, we unite our global workforce toward one common goal, creating a brighter future together. Moving from leadership to controlling, Zurich used a data-driven system to ensure we stay on the track while maintaining the highest ethical standard. There is not about monitoring, it's about stability and accountability. The first one is a performance monitoring and digital control. First, we utilize the real-time digital dashboard that allows to management to instant track the financial performance, service quality, and ethical compliance. We compare our key performance to indicators or KPIs to again redefine the benchmark to ensure we are meeting our target every day. The second one is the 3 lines of defense model. To manage this, we are use a structured 3 lines of defense model. The first line is our daily business operation where teams manage risk on the ground. Second is a consists of risk oversight and compliance. We set the policy and frameworks. The third one is a internal audit, providing independent that our control are working effectively. The third one is a system rigor. Because we operate in highly regulated industry, controlling function as a complete system for oversight and risk management. We rely on rigorous data-driven process to maintain the stability that our customer and stakeholder impact focus. The last one is we prioritize the integrity in performance divide from our target or ethical standard. We take immediately corrective action. They are protect our financial stability to ensure we comply with a global regulation and most importantly protect customer trust and our company reputation.
Now I'm talking about regarding of issue identification. Understanding issue identification is essential for any organization, especially in the insurance industry. Issue identification refers to the process of identifying threats and challenges that may affect an organization's abilities to achieve its objective. This issue can arise from internal operation changes in the market, legal and regulatory requirement, or external factors such as economic crisis and natural disaster. By identifying this issue early, organization can take preventive action, help reduce losses, and improve strategic decision making. Lastly, issue identification is particularly critical because it operates within a risk based on business model. The second slide is about of key issue that Zurich Insurance Group are facing that significantly impact its operation. One major challenge is climate changes and environmental risks. The increase in extreme weather events such as flood and storm has led to higher insurance claims and rising costs. These environmental risks also affect Zurich underwriting and investment decision, while at the same time increasing pressure from customers and investors to adapt sustainable practices. Another important issue is economic and financial uncertainty. Factors such as inflation, interest rate changes, and economic recession increase the cost of claims, including repair and medical expenses. If not managed effectively, this can threaten Zurich profitability and pricing stability. Finally, Zurich faces strong market competition and changing customer expectation. The rise of digital insurer and fintech firm has increased competition, and customers now expect fast, digital, and personalized services. Failure to adapt to these changes could result in Zurich losing customers to more innovative competitors. My last slide, Zurich Insurance Group uses a structured approach to issue identification through its Enterprise Risk Management or ERM framework. This framework allows the company to systematically monitor and manage different types of risks, including financial, operational, environmental, and strategic risks. Zurich identifies potential issues using various methods such as data analysis, internal audits, customer feedback, and continuous regulatory monitoring. These tools help the organization detect problems early and assess their potential impact. Senior management regularly review risk report and takes appropriate control to action to reduce or manage these risks. This proactive approach enables Zurich to maintain stability, improve decision making, and support long-term business sustainability.
For 4.1 discussion, the first one is climate change has increased the frequency of natural disaster, which leads to higher insurance claims, greater financial risk for Zurich Insurance Group. The second one is economic uncertainty, such as inflation and interest rate change affects claim costs and investment returns. If not managed carefully, this can impact Zurich's profitability and pricing stability. The third one is increasing competition from digital insurance has changed the customer expectation. Customers now expect faster digital and more personalized insurance service, which puts pressure on Zurich to continuously innovate. Next is 4.2 suggestion. For the first one is improving climate data analysis and support risk prevention initiative. This is to improve accuracy in assessing disaster frequency and severity. This also can support risk prevention initiative to reduce future claims. And for the second one is in charge financial planning and risk forecasting to better respond to economic change and maintain stable performance. This also can strengthen financial planning to manage economic uncertainty and also support better pricing and investment decisions. And for the last one is continue investing in digital technology to improve customer experience, service efficiency, and competitiveness. This can happen by enhancing customers' experience through faster and easier digital service, and also strengthen their competitiveness against other digital users.
Last but not least, in conclusion, Zurich Insurance Group effectively applies the POLC, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling in the framework in its business management. This approach supports for a long-term performance in the global insurance market. Strong planning aligns strategic objectives with the risk management, regulatory compliance, and customer-focused service. Zurich ensures the stability through effective governance in highly regulated environment. This company promotes the sustainable leadership, inclusivity, creativity, and employee motivation. Strong ethical standard and governance ensure responsible business product. Effective risk control system use structured monitor and measurement tools. Zurich successfully managed the challenge such as climate change, economic uncertainty, and digital transformation. A forward-thinking and resilient strategy helps the Zurich remain competitive. Zurich create the positive with a value for customer, stakeholder, and the society. Thank you.